Which character's voice? Round 1. This character is the fearless group leader. Excellent work. It's RUMI. Guess the next one. This character is wild, bold, and stylish. That is right. It's ZOEY. Next question.
Keeping you in check. I need your skin.
This character is a powerful fallen idol. Great job. It's JINU.
Keeping you in check. I need your skin. Listen. Dark. And will he let the fire go out?
Get ready to guess the next character. This character is calm and quietly fierce. Brilliant answer. It's MIRA. Guess this character. This character is strong and confident. That is right. It's SAJA.
They follow us in here?
I knew they would. That one's always looking at me.
Take a big bite, one another bite, yeah. Not what I want to think of. Every drop I drink of.
Next character. Get ready.
I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going viral. The fever, making you believe.
This character is the youngest but dangerous. Excellent work. It's baby SAJA.
I'm your idol. Thank you for the pain, cause it got me going viral. The fever, making you a believer. Now that we had done hit the spot. Every little drip, the drop, fizz and pop. That's what I'm doing.
Can you name the next character?
You gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul. I'm the
This character fights with love and heart. That is right. It's romance SAJA.
You gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul. I'm the only one.
Guess the next in line.
No, not tonight. I
am not sitting with no SAJA boy.
This character hides behind silence and shadows. Great job. It's mystery SAJA.
No, not tonight.
I am not sitting with no SAJA boy. What's up?
Can you recognize the character?
All right, looking good over there. Okay, ready? But where are the girls? What?
This character protects with strength and heart. Brilliant answer. It's Bobby.
Alive. All right, looking good over there. Okay, ready? But where are the girls? What? Where are they going?
Who is the next character in line?
Darkness finally meets the light.
This character is young and gifted. That is correct. It's young RUMI.
Darkness finally meets the light.
Cover those up.
Guess the next one.
Wearing a tiny hat.
This character is loyal with sharp instincts. Excellent work. It's Bird.
Wearing a tiny hat?
Next question.
The heart-stealing newcomers, the schedule, here to perform.
This character is flashy and over the top. That is right. It's Idol Host.
The heart-stealing newcomers, the schedule, here to perform their hot new single, Golden.
Get ready to guess the next character. This character is fast and untamed. Great job, it's Tiger. Guess this character.
So spicy!
He can't! Baby SAJA is...
This character hosts with flair and drama. Brilliant answer. It's variety show host.
So spicy!
He can't! Baby SAJA is...
Next character, get ready.
I see. I see.
This character heals with strange wisdom. That is correct. It's Healer Han.
I see. I see. Focus is good, but focusing on one part leads to...
What do you think? Excellent work. It's Zoe.
How do we handle this? What do we tell the fans? Maybe we should call Celine.
Like her.
Yeah, that's exactly how she says it.
No, but that's what
Yeah,
we
no,
gotta
for
do.
sure.
We
We
gotta.
gotta cover it. Don't worry. It's totally legit.
Guess this one. Brilliant answer. It's JINU.
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to feel me. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
SAJA boys love you!
My little soda pop.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here's another one for you. Great job, it's Bobby.
In that finale with the guy in the demon suit exploding into confetti, this is gonna break the bank, but oh, look at these social numbers. Oh no, I couldn't possibly. Just kidding, rode me. I'm a 34.
Which character do you think this is? That's right, it's Baby SAJA.
Soda pop. You're all right.
The top, I'm gonna come make you hit the spot. Every little drip, the drop fit.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess the character? That's correct. It's Tiger. Here's a tricky one. Excellent work. It's Mystery SAJA.
No, not tonight.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess the character? Brilliant answer, it's Bird.
No, no, really.
For the tiger, but the bird keeps taking it.
What about this one? Great job, it's SAJA. Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. What do you think? That's right, it's Romance SAJA. Guess this one. That's correct, it's CELINE.
And ZOEY, that it was all a lie, an illusion. By Kima to breaks and fears must never be seen. It's the only way to protect.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Here's another one for you. Excellent work. It's young RUMI.
CELINE, do hunters kill all demons?
Yeah.
Anything that has patterns?
Cover those.
Which character do you think this is? Brilliant answer. It's variety show host.
Welcome back to Who Can Chug the Most Hot Sauce? We can't! Baby SAJA is the winner! Go, go.
Can you spot the odd one out? This one is odd from the rest. Can you guess the character? Great job, it's Healer Han.
One part leads to ignoring other parts, making you separated. To treat the part, we must understand. Your tonics are ready!
We got tonic.
What do you think? That's right, it's Idol host.
Stealing newcomers, the SAJA Boys. Here to perform their hot new single, Golden.
K-pop, Demon Hunters, and their favorite snacks. Baby SAJA, Lay's, Romance SAJA, Pietos, Mystery SAJA, Combos, RUMI, Pringles, SAJA, Popcorners, ZOEY, Cheetos, MIRA, Fritos, JINU, Smart Food, Bobby, Doritos, CELINE, Cape Cod, K-pop, Demon Hunters, and their favorite movies. Baby SAJA, Boss Baby, Romance SAJA, Trolls, Mystery SAJA, Tangled, RUMI, Brave, SAJA, The Incredibles, ZOEY, Ruby Gillman, Teenage Kraken, MIRA, over the moon. JINU, Batman, Bobby, The Croods, CELINE, Wonder Woman, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite apps, Baby SAJA, Instagram, Romance SAJA, Lyft, Mystery SAJA, Spotify, RUMI, File Manager, Apps SAJA, Home Workouts, ZOEY, Discord, MIRA, Snapchat, JINU, X, Bobby, Uber, CELINE, Gmail, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite drinks, Baby SAJA, Poppy, Romance SAJA, Zevia, Mystery SAJA, Diet Coke, RUMI, Fanta, Apps SAJA, Mountain Dew, ZOEY, Prime, MIRA, Crush, JINU, Pepsi Max, Bobby, Coffee, CELINE, Coke Zero, K-pop Demon Hunters and their biggest fears, Baby SAJA, failure to sing, Romance SAJA, getting kicked out of the band, Mystery SAJA, his demon identity being revealed, RUMI, becoming a demon, Apps SAJA, gaining weight, ZOEY, rejection from fans, MIRA, a demon defeating her, JINU, Guima, Bobby, losing his job, CELINE, losing RUMI, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite mobile games, Baby SAJA, Candy Crush, Romance SAJA, Magic Tiles, Mystery SAJA, Just Dance Now, RUMI, Tiles Hop, Apps SAJA, Gym Simulator, ZOEY, Shadow Fighter, MIRA, Mortal Kombat X, JINU, Call of Duty, Bobby, Wordscapes, CELINE, Roblox, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite shows, Baby SAJA, Baby Shark's Big Show, Romance SAJA, Avatar The Last Airbender, Mystery SAJA, Benten, RUMI, Wandla, Apps SAJA, Troll Hunters Tales of Arcadia, ZOEY, Ridley Jones, MIRA, Monster High, JINU, Blue Eye Samurai, Bobby, The Fairly Odd Parents, CELINE, Winx Club, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite candies, Baby SAJA, Nerds Candy, Romance SAJA, Laffy Taffy, Mistry Saja, Three Musketeers, RUMI, Milk Duds, SAJA, Fruities, ZOEY, Starburst, MIRA, Sour Patch Kids, JINU, Milky Way, Bobby, Mars, CELINE, Hershey Bar, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite fast foods restaurants, Baby SAJA, Dunkin' Donuts, Romance SAJA, Chick-fil-A, Mistry Saja, Panda Express, RUMI, Subway, SAJA, Starbucks, ZOEY, Five Guys, MIRA, Wendy's, JINU, Burger King, Bobby, Taco Bell, CELINE, McDonald's, K-pop Demon Hunters and their favorite breakfast foods, Baby SAJA, Pancakes with Syrup, Romance SAJA, Strawberry Waffles, Mistry Saja, Bagel with Cream Cheese, RUMI, Smoothie Bowl, SAJA, Sandwich, ZOEY, French Toast Stick, MIRA, Fruit Salad, JINU, Breakfast Burrito, Bobby, Bacon and Eggs, CELINE, Avocado Toast,